All right, welcome everyone. Good evening. My name is Alex. I work for mytradinghub.com, and this is a mytradinghub.com webinar that you're assisting now. Welcome everyone. I'm really happy to be presenting the webinar tonight. I will be alone for some of you who have been joining us in the last few weeks. Usually we've been doing the webinar, the two of us, with a colleague of mine, with Dean. He says hi. He can't be with us tonight, unfortunately for some of you, but not to worry. I will hold the fort, and I will present this webinar tonight alone. This won't change much. The only thing that might change is that since I'm alone, it might be a little bit easier for me to answer questions during the webinar on the fly. So please be free to feel free to ask questions if you want. It's not a problem at all. Usually, what we do is that I welcome the questions. I will enable now the Q&A actually, so that you can all ask questions whenever you want. But usually, what we do is that I welcome the questions, and at the end of the webinar, we go through them at once, so we don't really get stopped in the middle of the lesson. But since now I'm alone, it's not that much of a problem for me to kind of stop in the middle and just reply to questions. So if you have any questions, feel free to send them. If I feel like it's a quick answer, I will answer you right away. If it's not, I will keep them for the end of the webinar. So make sure you stay till the end if that's the case. If you're watching this as a recording, welcome as well. We won't be able to attend to ask questions since it's a recording, but please be sure to visit mytradinghub.com, so you can see the URL here on the top left. If you haven't been there yet, visit that, and feel free to send us email or ask questions in the forums. All right, so that's my little introduction. As you can see, so this is the first time that I'm really operating this program. This is a new program for me. So I might have some mishaps and stuff. So don't be too freaked out if the screen goes black at some point. I've done a few tests before, but sometimes it went dark for some reason. But I've decided to carry on anyway. Not a problem. So this is our little layout for the evening. We'll talk about the Consolidate strategy, which is a strategy that we teach on MyTradingHub. It's a great strategy that I like to apply. We teach it on mytradinghub.com. So as part of a very long series of video. I think it's 8 videos. It's another mentor that's teaching it, and that mentor has a great way of trading the strategy. I have a little bit of a different way of trading it, which we'll go over towards the end of the webinar. And really, if you follow the videos in the strategy library, you will see that my way is a little bit different, but it's good as well, obviously, and both ways will be great to make some money for you. So that's not a problem at all. So this is our little layout for the evening. So this is the introduction. So that's pretty much done. We'll have a quick overview of the strategy, so why it works, and the indicators that we use. That's going to be really quick. Then we'll have another overview of the rules. I won't go too much in depth in the rules because I assume that everyone who's on this webinar has followed the videos which are on the site and pretty much know the rules already. So I won't go too much in detail, but I still want to kind of go over the general rules that we teach you on the site, so that I can after move on to the rules that I apply to my strategy. And then after, usually we have a small break around that time. I don't know if that will happen. I will see if I'm tired or not, or if I need a drink of water or something, and then I will take a small break. Then we have the trade management, adapting to price action. So that's going to be quite an interesting topic, which I like a lot. And then we'll have a small, short, advanced section where we will talk about setup selections, profitable areas of the market which are really profitable to trade this strategy, and a concept which I like to call mother of all candles, which you will discover what that is at the end. All throughout the webinar, I will try to go through the charts and show you some cool setups and stuff. We have a habit of not preparing the charts so that we can flick through them together. We think it makes it more fun if you get to see us flick through the charts and not just have some stuff prepared all pretty and nice. Okay, so we'll have a quick look, a quick overview of why this strategy works. So now you should be able to see my paint. We also have a habit of using paint to draw stuff because it makes it really, really pretty. All right, so the Consolidate strategy is a strategy that revolves around support and resistance areas. So again, if you've seen the videos, you should know that. One thing that we like to always start the webinars with is a quick explanation of how the market moves. So we have the market never moves like this, all right? So that's pretty much what people want you to believe. So they want you to believe that you can buy around this area and sell around this area and make a ton of money. Obviously, that's not how the market moves, and it will never be that quick and simple. The market moves like this. Oh, not in circles. The market doesn't move in circles. The market moves in, right, here we go. So the market moves like this. So for those of you who've been in the webinar already, this might be something that you've seen already, but it's important, and it will be a little bit different from what we've seen previously, so stick around. So the market moves in such patterns. It goes up a bit, it goes down a bit, so that's obviously an uptrend market. Goes up a bit, goes down a bit, goes up a lot, goes down a bit, goes up a lot, goes down a bit, and goes up again. Okay, so the